Okay, now drawing techniques or experimental drawing techniques such as continuous line drawing are a really good way of developing your drawing skills. Now what I mean by this is if your drawings look too stiff, or you press too hard with the pencil, or you find it difficult to control the pencil, this is an effective way, by practicing this technique, to loosen up your drawings and to create a wider variety of marks and lines and shapes when you're drawing. So what I'm going to demonstrate today is the technique of continuous line drawing. Now when you attempt to do this, what you will be doing is you'll be observing your subject continuously and drawing it at the same time. And what I would like people to do is to keep the pencil on the paper, never lift it up, and continuously draw with that line. A good way to try this is to time yourself and see what you can produce under those types of conditions. So for example, if you want to produce a 5-minute sketch, a 3-minute sketch, just to warm up, and then maybe attempt a more ambitious drawing. So you can structure your approach to this by beginning small and with short drawings, and then try to produce a longer drawing under time conditions. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is show you how to do this.